Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Zubi from eVillage Academy, the place where you can learn and improve your English. If you are new here, don't forget to hit subscribe button below and give me a thumbs up. Let's get started. Today we are going to talk about countable nouns. Nouns can be either countable or uncountable. If you look around you, you want to see many objects. Any object you see and you can count, it's a countable noun. So countable nouns are anything that can be counted. For example, apple, orange, car, student, house. Also, countable nouns have two forms, singular and plural. Example, apple will be apples, car, cars, computer, computers. Also, singular countable noun is used with singular verb. Example, the student, we are talking about one student, is. We use it with singular verb. The boy is playing. Boy, one boy, we use it with singular verb. Plural countable noun is used with plural verb. Students are studying. Students, more than one student, with the verb are. The boys are playing. Boys, more than one boy, we use are, plural verb with it. We use the determiner a and an in front of a singular countable noun. Look at this example. A cup, a pen, a book, a chair, a brother. But we say an apple, an egg, an eye, an hour. How can we use them? Let's see. If the noun starts with consonant sound, any sound except the vowel, we use a in front of a singular noun. Look at these examples. Cup, it will be a cup. Pen, a pen. Book, a book. Chair, a chair. Look at these sentences. They build a house. House, singular noun. We use a in front of it. They build a house. No, this is wrong. They build an house. This is also wrong. We cannot say that. She bought a computer. Computer, singular noun. We use a before it because it starts with consonant. She bought computer. This is wrong because we do not use it alone. We have to use a or an. If it starts with consonant like this, we have to use a before the noun. She bought an computer. Also, this is wrong. They swim in a river. River, singular noun. We have to use a before it. They swim in river. This is wrong. We could not say that. They swim in an river. Also, we could not use an before a singular noun starts with consonant. And this is also wrong. Now, if the noun starts with vowel sound, we add an in front of a singular noun. And the vowels are a, e, I, o, u. These are letters, but we are talking here about vowel sound. Let's see. Article, egg, apple, orange, ear. All these starts with vowel sound, vowel letter. Look at these examples. I have an apple. Apple, singular, starts with vowels, so we add an before it. I have a apple. Apple, singular, starts with a vowel. We could not use a we have to use an. So this is wrong. I have apple. Apple singular, but we have to use an article before it. This is also wrong. Look at the second sentence. She wrote an article. Article starts with a vowel, singular noun, we use an. She wrote an article. This is wrong because this is singular, starts with vowels. She wrote article, also this is wrong. They saw an elephant. Elephant starts with E, vowel sound, and we have to use an before it. They saw an elephant. We could not use a if the noun starts with vowel sound. They saw elephant. Also, this one is wrong. Now look at this example. The film will last for an hour. If we look at this hour, this singular noun starts with the letter H, but the sound is hour. So we use an. That's why we said here it's vowel sound. It's not vowel letter. The film will last for an hour. This is wrong because the sound here is a hour. We could not say that. The film will last for hour. Also, this one is wrong. We have to use an before it. Now, if we are talking about more than one thing, we add s or es at the end of a regular noun. We talked about singular nouns, singular countable nouns. Now we are going to talk about plural nouns. How can we form it with a countable noun? If we are talking about more than one thing, we add s or es at the end of regular noun. Let's see. Computer, computers. Book, books. Dish, dishes. Movie, movies. I have brothers. We add s, the word brother. This means that more than one brother. They have cars. Cars also plural. It means more than one car. She cleaned the dishes. Dishes, we add es, and it's more than one dish. She watched movies. Movies also more than one movie. Countable noun with numbers. Also, we can use it, or we can use countable noun with numbers. Let's look at these examples. We can say one brother, two brothers, three brothers, one table, two tables, three tables, one car, two cars, three cars, one idea, two ideas, three ideas. All these are countable noun. We can add s to make it more than one, or to make it plural. Look at these examples. They have one brother. They have three brothers. Look at this. This is one brother, singular, singular one. And here three, we have to add s to make it plural. I have one box. I have two boxes. Also here, the word box is singular, one box. And here two boxes, more than one. We add es to make it plural. I have one computer. I have two computers. She watched one movie last weekend. She watched two movies last weekend. Now let's look at these examples. She has a sister. This means one sister. She has one sister. It's the same. We can say she has a sister or she has one sister. The last one, she has 2 sisters. Here, 2 with plural noun. We add s to make it plural. I have a computer, or I have 1 computer. I have 2 computers. Numbers 2 with s, number 1 with computer. If we are talking about just 1 computer, we say 1 computer or just a computer. But if we are talking about more than 1 computer, we have to say I have 2 computers, 3 computers, 4 computers, all these. We can use it with numbers. I have a car. I have 1 car. And I have 2 cars. Of course, I can say I have a car, or I have 2 cars, or I have 3 cars, I have 1 car. But plural form with more than 1. Remember that. Now, countable nouns with how many. We can use many with countable noun, or how many. Look at these examples. She has many cars. Look at this noun, car. We use cars because we are talking about more than 1. We use it to ask or to say she has many cars. This means that she does not have just 1 car. She has 2 or 3 or 4 cars, but we don't know how many. There are many students in the class. Look here also, students. Many students, and the verb is plural because we don't know how many students, or we don't want to say how many students, in fact, in the class. But we form it like this. There are many students in the class. Look at this. I read many books. This means more than 1. There are many boxes on the shelf. Many with plural noun, boxes. How many cell phones do you have? How many? How many? We use it with plural noun. The answer will be, I have many. I don't want to tell you how many. 2, 3, 4, 5. I can answer with I have many, or I have 2 cell phones, or I have 3 cell phones. I have 4 cell phones. How many students are in the class? The answer will be, there are many students, or there are 7 students. If I know exactly and I want to tell you how many, I can say there are 7 students, there are 10 students, but I also can say there are many students. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to check out my other videos. Thank you.